Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape drainage solution and outdoor landscape transformation. Now, as you can see, in an exceptional fashion, what we've been able to do is completely transform this customer's landscape, giving them the ultimate landscape drainage solution. Now, they had a tremendous amount of water that was coming in on two sides of the landscape, one being this area and then one being on this hillside. So what I did is I came up with a design that allowed for me to be able to bring in my beautiful decorative river rock that you see here in order to create this beautiful custom dry creek bed. Now we're testing this drainage solution so that you can see how this water moves to the path of least resistance, but ultimately it's going down into this area that you see where we put this drain box, and this drain box is going to be able to take in all of that water and move it off the back side of this landscape all the way toward this area where we're going to be putting in a little bit of pine straw. But as you can see, effectively we put in a tremendous amount of gravel on this landscape, and it's giving this customer the ultimate landscape drainage solution. Now in addition, we've also put in the erosion control fabric. There's a black fabric that we put in that allows us to be able to ensure that that water never goes into the bare dirt again. So now we never have to worry about this washing away. No more erosion problems, no more situations where we just see a tremendous amount of water moving the dirt off of the landscape from the path of least resistance. In addition, as you can see with this design, we've also created a way for this customer to be able to no longer have to worry about dealing with that water as it comes off of this concreted area. And it's also going to provide them with a beautiful landscape structure that's going to be able to last a lifetime. Now, this is all being brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service, and that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what we do each and every time. Now, as you can see right here, we're providing this solution for this customer, but it said that if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, or you're in the Paulding County area where we're located, or just anywhere in specific that is around that area, and you have a drainage problem, you definitely want to make sure you click the link below so that you can get a free quote that allows you to understand what's going on with your landscape. But most importantly, it allows for you to be able to have an idea of what it's going to cost in order to solve your landscape once and for all. That's right, you get a landscape solution that you can have one time and never have to worry about again. And that's exactly what we were able to do for this customer, and we'll love to do the same for you. So make sure you click that link below. This is all brought to you by Brooks Landscaping. You can check out over 250 videos by just simply typing in Brooks Landscaping from your Facebook and or Google. Thank you guys, and I look forward to working with you again as we get ready to go to the next landscaping transformation. Stay tuned, folks. Brought to you exclusively by Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.